Yo, what's good, y'all? Welcome back to another Crash video. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to sound like Starfall. I know a lot of y'all been asking for this one, so I mean, I might as well just deliver it to y'all. And yeah, let's just get into it. Alright, so I'm not gonna play the full song because copyright reasons, and I just don't want to get, you know, my stuff striked or all that nonsense or whatever. So here, I'm gonna just play this little part. I'm gonna play the vocals with the beat and everything, and then I'm gonna play all the stems one by one. I still won't worry about our times when we argue, make up your mind. Oh baby, won't you just listen? Here, that's not much. I'm gonna play this part over here since more of the presets are being used. Can't go if I'm all alone. The feelings don't change when I'm not at home or at the club. It's not enough to change my mind, baby, 'cause I don't know how far I can go if I'm all alone. The feelings don't change when I'm not at home or at the club. It's not enough to change my mind, baby. Alright, so shit, pretty much. Alright, so pretty much there's not many presets. There's no route or anything. You just drag and drop the preset into the thing. Okay, so yeah, this is when you buy whichever one. If you buy the FOP one, it's gonna be like this, and then, you know, if you open this, it's gonna be this exact project file and that you can mess with. But pretty much all you gotta do is recording. With the recording, take this off. Put the little red button. What I do is put in one, and then right here post track, and then you get the main preset, drag it on, boom. And then if you want to hear yourself while you record, you could do this. But I personally don't, since this doesn't really help me. You need the recording preset because that's the only thing that has auto-tune. If you have a different type of auto-tune or something like that, this is the settings. Maybe I would turn this a little bit lower, like around that, if you can't really like hit high notes like that. And then same thing with this one. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And the OTT, this is the OTT. I know some of y'all get issues with that, so this is the settings for that. And then yeah, you just drag and drop everything, the layer, OTT layers. I mean, OTT settings for layers, this, and then background, and then boom, 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 and then here you go. This is the layer. That's the layer. Background one. You like, I don't know, you just sing. And then this one's like, I don't know, it's just extra ad-libs, I guess you could say. And yeah, those are pretty much all the presets. I'm gonna play the vocals isolated by preset so y'all could hear them like in the actual song and how they sound. Try, I still won't worry about our times when we argue, make up your mind. My background recordings are like really bad, so don't clown on me for that. I still won't worry about our times when we argue, make up your mind. Oh baby, won't you just listen? And then layer. Oh baby, won't you just listen? A shot at forgiveness, 'cause I know it's better than losing you here. And then background 2. Wait, I think it's like over here. I don't know why all alone. This is the backgrounds all together. 'Cause I don't know how far I can go if I'm not alone. The feelings don't change when I'm not at home or at the club. And then I'm gonna play vocals, no presets. I don't know how far I can go if I'm all alone. The feelings don't change when I'm not at home or at the club. Yeah, as you can see, it's pretty much like a night and day difference, and there's just like no reason why not to, you know, mix your vocals and all that nonsense or whatever. But yeah, that's really it, honestly. Like, I showed you that. Yeah, no route, no nothing. Yeah, just 5 layers. I mean, 5 presets, and that's it. And yeah, if you need help on anything, just DM me on Instagram at 7akkiro, and that's the same thing for my Discord if you need any help on that. And yeah, that's pretty much it, yo. Peace out.